Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Zalando application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. As you tap on this play icon, you can check out the recommendations and the featured products. As you click on the search icon down below, you can type in what you're looking for into the search bar at the top of the screen. You can also search by using the scanner option at the top. So you should scan the barcode and then you will be directed to the product. Here you have three categories at the top: women, men and kids. So here you have the categories that you can select, such as clothing. Here you have subcategories and you can search for the products. Here you can apply filters in terms of gender, size, age, color, brand, price and so on. As you click on the product, you can check out the pictures, the price, you can choose your size, see the reviews, material care, details and so on. As you click on the heart icon, you will be able to see all of your saved products. Here you will be able to see your shopping cart, and as you click on the account button, you can check out your orders and returns, and also the personal details, app settings. You can also follow brands by clicking on the Your Brands button, and basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.